Thank you for joining me at the Brenton Lofts today. We are located in Davenport, Iowa. I am going to give you a virtual tour of our L1 floor plan. This is 721 square feet. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. This is unit 101, which is located on the first floor. This is a very spacious unit. It's got high ceilings. You've got brick accents. Floor-to-ceiling windows. Architectural arches. This unit does have its own private patio on the exterior. Great for grilling out or having your own patio space. There are outlets in the flooring as well. Offers an island kitchen with the full appliance package. Lots of cabinetry. The full appliance package includes your over-the-range microwave, electric oven and stove top, refrigerators with ice makers. You have dishwashers and garbage disposals. The faucet offers a pull-out nozzle with soap dispensers. This is a nice feature. Help clean your dishes. The refrigerator offers the ice makers, like I mentioned before. There is adjustable shelving in all of the cabinetry. Lots of counter space. This area walks back into the 1-bedroom. Lots of lighting in here. There are shades that pull down, so they do come included with the window coverings. Nice sized closet. Each unit has its own modem that's built in, so internet capabilities are available. After you pick your package on move-in date, it's all ready and up and running for you to hit the internet, surf the web. Your bathroom is just adjacent to the kitchen. You've got a coat closet here off the entryway. This is great for additional storage, vacuum, brooms, shoes, coats. Full-size bathroom, offering a tub and shower combo. You've got medicine cabinets that open up for additional storage. Your vanity area, offering a ton of storage here. Linen space, which is quite large and tall. Really high ceilings throughout the entire unit. Thank you for joining me on our L1 floor plan tour.